Hi, let me show you a simple trick on how to download and use Chat GPT on your Android smart device. Visit Chrome browser and type their main website openai.com. Click on search, scroll down, click on try Chat GPT. On your top right, click the menu and click on add to home screen. Delete the link, just rename it to Chat GPT and click on add automatically. Just verify you are a human, and very nice. Now let's try to see if it worked. Visit our home screen and very nice, Chat GPT.